morning. Today's topic is computers. In computers, we can call it as a machine. Why we can call it as a machine means in real time we have seen so many machines in our home or nearby places. For example, in daily in our home we are seeing that washing machine, stitching machine, oven, and each and everything we can call it as a machine only. But what is the main difference? Computer and the rest of the machines. I will explain you very clearly. Washing machine we are using for only to wash the clothes on, whereas stitching machine we are going to stitch the clothes, and whereas oven we are cooking purpose we are using, and whereas computer it's a smart machine. Why I am telling is by using computer we can use any number of places. For example, in daily in our life we are seeing schools we are using computers, colleges, offices, railway stations, and then bus stand, and offices, banks, even hospitals, everywhere we are using computer. Computer how it is smart means depends upon the situation or depends upon the application it works. For example, I'm using computer in the hospital. They will install or they will upgrade that system with all the whatever doctors use, diagnostic centers, those applications they are going to install. Whereas in schools they are going to install like MS Office and other things. In offices they will use their, in engineering like civil contractors or engineers, what they will do means they will do civil works or engineering drawing like other things, Corel Draw, like this they will use, and they will construct different things. The same way here also the computer, it depends upon the situation, depends upon the place or environment, it changes by using their application. For example, in weather forecasting what they will do means they will, for weather purpose, what is the weather present situation, everything they will calculate, and then they will give the news report to tell the weather report. Like this computer, why I am telling you this is a smart means based upon these applications, depends upon the environment, depends upon the where we are using that, on base it changes the type of the computer. So now I'm going to explain how the computer has been divided. The computer has been divided into hardware and then software. Now first part I will explain now. This part 1 and 2 I make it as, see, in this first part hardware means it's a like we can touch and we can see. For example, if I take input devices, I have written here again. Hardware is divided into 4 parts. Here input devices, output devices, and memory, and like processor. See, hardware means we can touch and we can feel. See, where example I will tell you. Same the computer, like how the man has invented or how the man has designed means by seeing us only, by seeing the man he has prepared. Why? Because here I can live example I can, otherwise I can give very real time example. God has prepared his own image like man, and man has prepared his own image computer like robot nowadays. What it will do here is computer is having whatever the man or humans are having. For example, we are also having input devices, output devices, memory unit, like that. Same thing here, hardware means we are having hands, legs, ears, nose, everything. Like here also, input device, output device, memory unit, and like processor. Input device considers like keyboard, mouse, scanner, these are all the input devices, and whereas output device, monitor, printer, plotter, speakers, these are all comes under output devices. Same in human body also, same we are having input devices like eyes and then nose, or we can call it as a input device, and mouth is a output device. Why? Because I am speaking. Same thing, memory. Here again Memory means we are having two types of memory, like permanent and then temporary. Last week what I had morning breakfast means I don't know exactly. I can get confused. That is called temporary. Like primary, I can call it as a. And again, secondary means last year I have celebrated my birthday. I can definitely order that day the dishes and photographer name and everything I can explain. In again one more situation and one more real-time example I can give also. Primary or temporary means or main memory means what I can tell is whatever we have learned last year classes, I don't know, I forgot. So many students I ask, those students they are telling that sir I forgot that formula or something like that. Whereas secondary memory means last year not, when they are in 5th standard or 4th standard, after 10 years also, if I ask the movie name or a song, this song belongs to this movie, they will tell easily. Why? Because that everything recorded are permanently. So what I am trying to tell is whatever we are teaching the teachers, it should be in a video format so that they can easily and understand, and then what they will do means they will store permanently. That's why I have seen so many students when I asking that song or movie, definitely they will tell, but I asked so many formulas like some questions in last year science or social subject, they will not answer. That is the main problem. Like primary, secondary, man is also having two types of memories. Here primary comes under RAM and ROM. RAM means random access memory, ROM means read-only memory. And the secondary memory contains what means floppy disk and then hard disk, pen drive, CD drive, and rest of the things comes under secondary memory. And one more is processing unit. Processing unit means nothing but it's a brain of the computer. We can also tell that we are also having processing unit and we are also having brain. What here it will do means it will do all the calculations. It may be arithmetic or logical unit, whatever the things are. Here the CPU, what it will do means it will calculate the things. Here also we are having so many types, but today's class I'm explaining very basics, and next sessions or next my videos I will explain in depth like about primary memory. One session will comes under primary memory and one session will comes under secondary memory, as well as in CPU also. Like input device, output device also I have one session. So in that session we can clearly explain, or I have explained clearly. So coming videos or coming classes or coming sessions we can see all these things. And now the second part is software. Software means we can make it as a very short set of instructions or a program. Here set of instructions, here we can see, but whereas we can't touch it. We are writing, the programmer is going to write some code. For example, I want to travel, once a real-time situation I will explain. If I want to travel from Hyderabad to Bangalore, what is the set of sequence of steps means? Here say one thing, I need to first book the ticket, and afterwards I need to travel from my home to railway station, and then I need to check the which count or which bogie or which platform the train is coming. So everything, the set of one by one instructions, and after that I need to check in, and after that I need to check my berth whether which platform or which number it is coming the train. So all these are the steps, and after that I need to go and sit, and I need to travel from 3 to 5 hours or 10 hours it may be around. After that I will reach Bangalore. So these are the steps. If I want to make it a tea also, we are having steps. Same thing, I need to bring milk and then tea powder and then sugar. These things I need to boil and I need to serve into the cup. So these are the steps. Like here also in software means it's a set of instructions or program. What it will do means it will give like each and every step. Base computer we need to explain each and every steps, like first step this is, and the second step, and next, like each and everything. If I have explained to the computer or given, the programmer will give what means like set of instructions, one by one instruction. The computer will execute one by one instructions, that is called as software. Again here software is divided into, I can very easy manner I have planned like this: languages, packages, and system tools are system softwares. Here see here, languages means comes under C, C++, Java, and etc. So many are there, but just now I have written only 3. And then packages. Packages also we are having MS Office, Photoshop, PageMaker, and etc. So same thing, system tools are system software. System tools or system software means operating system and other third party tools. Here in this language I have explained in the next session, but whereas I will give you a brief very short in method. Languages means how can it would be work, what is language, you get some confusion. See, I will give you a real time scenario. See, 3 persons are there. These 3 persons, he knows Kannada and he knows English, and this person knows English and Kannada.